We are a global distributor of kombucha ingredients. We supply to over 100 companies all across Europe and further afield. Unleashed is a comprehensive inventory management system that is really the backbone of our business. Prospect CRM is a really comprehensive CRM system for small to medium-sized businesses just like us.
Before we had Prospect, we were using Insightly. Although it was okay, it felt like we were double handling everything because they weren't integrated.
Having Prospect and Unleashed integrated together allows the team that are quoting for customers to see live what's available in stock and what they can deliver to the customers today. Prospect CRM has really helped us grow our business. It's allowed us to quote new opportunities to customers, track opportunities.
Any one of us within the team can log on to Prospect and work out where a customer's up to. We know when to follow up with people, how regularly, who is kind of slipping down and not ordering as much, and who are really regular customers. Since
we've started using Prospect, in the last 12 months our sales have doubled in the business.
Prospect CRM is really comprehensive, it's really user-friendly, it's easy to learn how to use the system, and also the support that came with setting up the system has been fantastic.
Unleashed has allowed me to work from anywhere in the world. I've been to Sydney, Australia, sitting in a coffee shop on the harbour, checking Unleashed and what orders need to go in and out that day. It allows us to support our customers really quickly and create quotes and orders and process documents we need for those shipments really fast. Prospect and Unleashed definitely eliminates a lot of the errors that could potentially be in our business through the shipping quoting process. I know there's other inventory management systems that don't do batch tracking like the way Unleashed does. I think that's been really important to us in our business in food. Unleashed handles multiple warehouses really well. Dealing with Brexit, we've had to set up multiple warehouse locations, and it's helped us do that really effectively. Prospect is uniquely designed for distributors and wholesalers like our business. I think it's a really good fit because it's set up specifically for our type of company. As a small business that's growing really fast, using apps like Unleashed and Prospect and Xero allows a lot of flexibility to change our business and grow. Investing in Prospect and Unleashed as the backbone of my business is probably one of the best decisions I've made.